Hi friend, today discuss about how to create in function block in Control Expert. First of all, go to File and choose New File, and choose in CPU as your requirement. Then choose in your rack. This one cut and go to Configure, and first of all insert in DIDO card and AIO card as your requirement. First I select 16 input and 16 output card. This one 16 input card and this one 16 output card, and select analog input card and analog output card. This one analog input card and analog output card, and go to drive FB type में this one and right click and open. Create a function block. Just name first name, uh, which type of block you create, just like a name. My name pump. Choose a pump name, and this one created, and go to this plus sign and go to input. First of all choose how many your input and how many output. First I choose requirement, how many requirement input. Firstly, first select auto. No, not first select remote, then auto, and then start trip, and start PV push button, and then select stop PV, and then select run feedback, and go to output, and name just output motor, and go to section, and create a section name just like a motor, and choose language, which language you can written. Firstly choose in ladder logic LD and apply this one, and go to this one section is created motor names, and create a block in ladder logic. First give your NO1, and 2, and NC 1, NC, first remote feedback, remote select, then select auto select, then trip select, and start sorry start latch and select stop and output one output, this one. This one start push button, select and select out this one select is output with latching, so holding the output. I'm using a pulse type push button, that's why using holding and stop. And one is run feedback. And motor. This is block created in ladder logic, and go to program section and go to logic must in go firstly go to must and go to logic and right click, go to new session and name a program name, simply pump and choose language is go to FBD and apply. This one is created and go to right click and go to FBB, go to data session and his name is created in pump. This one is and go to FBD function tab and give a name pump. This one is and this type of block created and go to elementary variable, define every variable input, just remote name bool, just like use a input address percentage I 0.1.0. This is actual input address, not using a memory address. O2, copy this one and paste and change 0 and then change 1 and trip. This one paste again and change name to this 01 is addressing how many bits in use in a I'm using a 16-bit input, just like this 0 1 2 3 go to 15 trip and run feedback and paste input address and name 3 and start TV, paste name, paste input address this 4 stop TV and paste input address 5 and create output one output for motor, name motor, and this address is percentage q 0.2.0. this one 0.0 this is indicate this is my rack 0 or two number output and 0 addressing. As same like use in 1.0 this is indicate that one this is rack 0 slot 1 DI card insert and addressing 0 1 2 3 this one and go to this one and 3 dot and use firstly remotely and go to this one. This is auto bit, this is trip, this is run feedback, run stop PV and run feedback. This one motor, this is all is created just like same number of multi number of motor is connected, same type, that's just like copy and paste, copy paste. This is motor number 0, name 0 2, just name is also changed here. This is 2 number 0 number multiple 3 4, just like as your requirement number of motors can you connect it. Then this one is deleted, not required for me this time. And go to build all project. Any error, 7 error. Why this 7 is error is occurs? Because use in actual input. That's why use in eBool. This one all selected in eBool, and go to rebuild the all project. Not any error is occurs. No, zero error, zero warning. Then go to firstly simulation mode, connect the project, and this one also available. Connect simulation, go to address and connect and transfer to PLC, and this one also available. Transfer to project in PLC. Okay, this block is created. First go to animation table, just like name motor, and this one all is selected. All are selected, and one is motor. All are selected, and go to modification table. In remote, this is selector switch, and in selector switch they have three function. First, in middle condition is a stop condition, and left and right condition is one condition is auto select, one condition is manual select. First, I am selecting auto. I have not actual PLC programming, but just like a simulation. Go to one, and in motor go to remote is the field. Go to MCC panel, you look at a selector type switch. This is function, three type of function, and field type, and remote type, and local type. If you select in the remote side, they have to command in actual PLC. Go to in SCADA screen, HMI screen, go to select input command, go to give a input command, and select in a local, then not can give a command in HMI screen and SCADA screen in a PLC. That's run feedback. Run feedback, it is when a motor is run, then give a feedback, it is on, yeah, off. And start push button, and this is auto manual. Auto manual, this is selector tap switch and give a auto manual condition. This motor is on. This is looking logic. And trip is the NC push, NC type, and any any condition is motor is not on, then trip signal is given, motor is not running. And stop is also is NC. You can go to ladder logic, this one. This is trip is NC and stop is NC. And thank you friend watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like and comment.